LOCF, Learning Outcomes Based Curricular Framework. This is what has been mandated by University Grants Commission in India. What is this LOCF? It is very simple. It is outcome based education for all arts and other programs, because already this outcome based education has been introduced for engineering institutions. Now LOCF has been brought into picture and it is mandatory for all the programs to follow a curricular framework which is based on outcome based education. So it is very clear, using outcome based education concepts, the curriculum has to be framed, it has to be offered, the entire process should be based on outcome based education, and that is what has been mandated by University Grants Commission. So in that particular case, what are the outcomes? See, till now whatever has happened is totally different, but now there is a focus after undergoing a program. For example, let us say it is a BSc program, BSc Computer Science program, or BSc whatever program it might be. After undergoing a program, what the student should be able to do, that is after 2 years or 3 years of completing the program, what the student should be able to do with respect to knowledge, with respect to skill, with respect to values and attitude. This is what has been mandated very clearly in the notice. Says knowledge, skill, and the third one is values and attitude. Very clear. So the three outcomes which are being focused are, and these are all internationally standardized outcomes in general. They are knowledge, skill, and values and attitude. So automatically what happens, if a student should have this kind of a knowledge, this kind of a skill, and this kind of values and attitudes all in line with the program which is being offered. Program here, I mean in our example it is a BSc Mathematics program or BSc Computer Science program, whatever program it might be. What kind of knowledge, what kind of skill, and what kind of attitude and values and attitude a student should have, it all depends upon what kind of curriculum is being offered. Therefore, curriculum has to be framed for attaining certain kind of a knowledge, for attaining certain kind of skills, and attaining certain kind of values and attitude. This knowledge, skill, and attitude, values and attitude, in order to frame it, already a number of committees has been framed and they are working, and on the website of UGC already for certain programs the draft curriculum has been published, suggestions have been invited. So anyone who is interested can go and give suggestions, but once it is being framed, then it becomes mandatory for anyone who is offering that particular program to follow. And therefore it is better that time has come for entire India to see that each and every teacher, each and every student, each and every institution, right from the management, from the principal, from all the HODs, all the faculty members, everyone who is involved in academics should be well versed with LOCF, which is totally based on outcome based education. And therefore, as teachers in India, we are supposed to really take it very, very seriously. Seriously in the sense, we have to learn the basics very clearly and take it forward. Simply, there is no point in working for something without knowing the basics. Therefore, this particular video series I am preparing to give all the teachers a very clear input on what is learning outcomes based curriculum framework, which is based on outcome based education. It is really wonderful if it is being implemented really with knowing all the basics, by putting systems in place. To a great extent, if the basics are known, then there is lot of scope for an institution to use its creativity and implement all these things and stand unique and say that yes, a student who is going to go out of this particular program for my institution will have this kind of a knowledge, this kind of a skill, and this kind of values and attitude, because our curriculum has been developed and delivered and it has been backed up with all the systems and processes in order to ensure all these things. Ensure that my student goes out of this particular program with this kind of knowledge, this kind of skill, and this kind of values and attitude. Let us start by understanding the basics and then taking things forward.